going on out here?
Nothing. Putting in a turbo.
Putting in a turbo?
Yeah. Those.
An awfully big turbo box.
Yeah.
What are those? New headlights?
Yeah. Dope as fuck. Projector. Invest in power tools, kids.
So I went to this random dude's house after work, and he gave me all this Jeep stuff for free. Pretty raw.
Spare tire mount?
Yeah. Spare tire mount, and some side steps.
Get them out without breaking them. Shit. Don't do this without breaking. Oh, now it's broken. Great.
That's how not to remove one of those.
Well, 2 down.
So what I think you have to do is get it under this top one, pull the top one out, and then pull the bottom one out. Ah, what do you know?
Shit. Weight reduction.
Barely.
What do you think? Give her some bolts. Oh, fucking broke. This is gonna be a bitch to put back on.
She is.
Definitely sounded like you broke something.
I can figure out what the fuck broke. I don't think I can move it first. I think you need his foot put first. Now you fix this. 2. And this. I think it's painted cock.
Yeah. Toyota was really thinking ahead when they did that. Who the fuck is that?
I need to clean that intake off.
How you doing, Nico?
Dang, you didn't bring me a damn milkshake, boy.
You say hungry or tired? I'm hungry. It would probably help if you unplugged the wires in it too.
I gotta do that.
I'm assuming the lever was kind of hard to take off.
Kind of. I didn't really know what to do.
This one's going to twist and pull out.
I gotta remember how these come.
Don't touch the bulb.
I don't think I need the bulb.
Don't touch the bulb. You do. That's why there's a hole in the back of the other one.
I think I got bulbs in it. This one. This is the bulb I need. So what the fuck did I do with it? You can touch the bulb.
No, you can't touch the bulb with your skin.
Why?
Because your bulbs will burn out prematurely if you get your oil from your flesh on them. It is a real thing.
I believe you, but I don't think you fucking touch it like that.
It will. Unless it's an LED.
We're trying to switch the world to LEDs. Huh? We're trying to switch everything to LEDs.
Well, LEDs are more efficient.
Better for the environment.
Fuck, do I get this?
There's a clip. Okay, you got it. I think that one might twist too.
Oh,
Blinker.
okay, what the fuck? What is it, tie? I don't know what the fuck this is. Huh? It's a Toyota.
Yeah, I bet you the Jeeps aren't this complicated.
Yeah, I'm sure the Jeep is just like, press button here for everything to eject, and then not let it push back and forth.
Oh, says the guy who rode up in a Mustang.
It's like a Lego.
Surprised he didn't crash it into people on the way here.
Yeah?
How many people did you hit? That's the question.
I don't know if that comes out this way. Them motherfuckers making videos and generating this shit. I'm dead.
That looks like a butt plug.
That bulb's fine. Oh boy. I think it pulls, but I'm not sure. Oh shit. I just had to put some penis into it.
Yeah, put some pussy in it.
Fuck, I get this one off. Wait, is this the new one? Oh, fucking one.
Why do you keep asking the same questions?
Well, hand me the thing so I can start on this one. You know which bolts? No, I'll figure it out though. That white one right there. And the other white one. This one? Yeah.
That's not
That one in the
white.
hole. That one, okay. And that one right there. Right here? Okay.
Boom, boom, and then the one in the hole.
I don't. Fuck this thing.
Don't break it, Rob.
I don't think I need full wiring on this shit.
I'm pretty sure you do.
Oh shit, I can't screw my hand. Alright, I throw them out how you can. Those don't work. They know he's fucking working. You have.
Just have Nick hold it.
I don't know which fucking bulb to put in where. They never took them all out.
I think the plugs will only fit onto the right ones. They usually do that on purpose.
It was two of these, but one section. Let's go with it.
Case the one.
Oh yeah, the two different sizes. Does it match?
Felt like it plugged in. This one's gonna go on.
You're using the same bolts to put those in there. You got bulbs in ours. Oh shit.
I'm not sure which one goes on that. That's not gonna go into that. I meant the one down there.
What are you talking about? Just mine.
I don't know if it's that one or this one.
Ooh, shit, now. Is this one fit in here? I don't even know what the fuck that one is. Okay. I think it's just clips to hold them in. Alright, so I don't know. Is there another switch? Alright, so I'm getting power. So what? My hands are this dirty. Oh, I'm wearing keys. Just like turn on the normal lights first. I don't know what it's supposed to look like with normal lights. Alright.
Ooh.
Alright, turn on the brights. There's other brights right there. Alright. Alright, how do we get the projector on?
Turn on the turn signal.
That's the left one. Alright, turn the right one on. Alright, shit. Something goes.
That's the turn signal too.
Another What? Fuck. Then the little projector didn't come on.
Why isn't your light on, Rob?
Cause that turned off. Left effective. Shit. What am I doing? I'm wired. Fuck. Hold that. Don't let this get spread.
Light check.
Do one, like, for the first click on the little headlight.
Do what?
The first click on the headlight switch. Shit.
Nothing.
Damn it. Alright, turn them all on.
Now the brights aren't working. Oh, there's the bright.
Do blinkers.
I am right now.
Fuck. Alright, maybe it's not connected.
I'm gonna take a Snapchat of everything. Everything I do is actually on my last day. Last time clocking in. Last time putting an apron on. Last time doing fryers.
So why are you leaving Zaxby's?
Because it sucks and I like tires. I can't believe you named anything.
I see the other new guy's name. Angel or something.
Okay.
God damn.
Anything good?
Those brights are too bright.
Try the one turn.
What do you mean one turn?
Like first little click. Shit. Alright. So it's not a problem. It's just either something is not connected right,
I feel there's something in the old or something.
or it's not LEDs because you don't have LED headlights. Nothing else in the box.
Yeah, I'm trying to get
Oh my god.
Well, now I cannot put these back in. Now it's glass.
Man. Now I gotta get the broom.
What's that for? What was that for? Oh, yeah, like. Which part of the audio?
The blinker.
Yeah, just going into my video.
Front blinker anyway. You don't really need blinkers at all nowadays.
I mean, we live in Jacksonville, so nobody uses them anyway. Man, I can't do this. Nick, hold that dustpan for me. That didn't work for me. I doubt very highly it'll work for you.
Bitch.
Still not working.
Nothing on the floor is going right.
Still glass
My
on the
tail.
floor.
You got one piece of glass on the floor. Oh yeah.
Pick that shit up. Pick that shit up.
Nah, bro, you pick it up.
Nigga, I didn't break the light.
I didn't break the light either. Rob, you go
Get the
ahead.
fuck
no,
out.
nigga, it's my sheet.
Just pick the goddamn thing up. Put the rest of this glass in there.
What?
Put the rest of this glass right here in there.
In the box.
Put the rest of this glass in there too, so it's all together. What the fuck? Are you retarded? No, just put this glass into the dustpan.
Oh.
Why the fuck would I want you to dump glass all over my workbench? I don't care. That's up to Rob.
Oh, can I put this in there? What? Where? That's one of the old ones. Oh, garbage can. That's too much work. I won't go inside. Yeah, but I got my old headlights in there. I keep all my old shit. My room is pretty much mostly car parts. Like wheels, headlights, tail lights, intake. The intake. Oh, getting a little dirty.
Go.